YouTube? It's your boy Chris. Welcome EDU family. Welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to utilize cash back for your purchases, so that way you can maximize on your profit for each purchase that you do from your retailers. The reason that you want to make sure you take advantage of cash back with your credit cards that you use for your purchases, as well as these cash back sites, is because with drop shipping, one of the cons is that you definitely do have a small profit margin, but you can increase that by a good amount by using the different cash back resources. For example, these websites that I'm going to show you, as well as the different credit card options that have cash back features. So if you already took the free eBay dropshipping course, you would have gotten this information, which does entail more things that you should definitely go ahead and check out, which will be down below. And if you're looking for a more advanced learning to really scale your business up, to really see $20,000 in profit in 2 weeks, you definitely want to check out our advanced course. Will be in the link as well. And definitely subscribe if you just want any more information regarding eBay dropshipping, and also just other dropshipping platforms, Shopify, Amazon, because we're definitely going to be getting to all these different platforms. So let's go ahead and get into it. You want to make sure, for example, we're going to do an example of a product that I saw on Walmart.com. It's a Marvel Legend Series Black Panther edition. Black Panther right now is super popular because of the movie, which did tons and tons of sales. So a lot of people know about this movie, and it is trending. So I thought I would search up if they had anything, and look, they have a nice little action figure right here. Action figure, whatever, on Walmart.com. And so I found this product. So of course we're gonna go straight to eBay.com, copy and paste the title just to see what exactly we have. We're gonna select new. And as you can see, guys, people are marking this same product that's here for free shipping, $9, free 2-day shipping. And you see people are selling it $14.99, $21.99, $24.99, and there's only 34 results. So guys, just for this example, what we would do before we would purchase this item, for example, if we got a sale, is we would go straight on to givingassistant.com. You can go ahead and sign up. The link is going to be down below in the description to get signed up for it. You want to go ahead and get signed up for Giving Assistant, and then go ahead and set it up. It's super simple. And once you put in all your information, you want to come to the search bar and search up Walmart. And once you search it, you just click there. And as you can see, it has up to 4% cash back on your purchases, and they have tons of coupon codes if you want to go through these to see if it applies to any of the purchases that you're going to be doing. So what we're going to do, just to show this example, is click shop now for the 4% cash back. Now it's going to redirect us. We want to make sure before we make any purchases for eBay dropshipping, we go to this website to get these discounts. So if you want more information just like this, make sure you're in our Facebook group. Make sure you take the free dropshipping course, and make sure you also, for the advanced people who want to go ahead and take it to $20,000 in the last 2 weeks that we've already done for you guys that have been following us, make sure you take that advanced course. So we're going to come to Walmart.com, and we're going to go ahead and search up this item, which we already have done because we've already done our research. But now we're searching it up to make the purchase, because we have to click that link and use the same exact browser that we clicked that cashback link. So now we see it here. So we're going to click it. And of course you're going to add to cart. And you want to check out. Okay, great. So it looks like the shipping wasn't free on this item, but you can definitely still make a nice profit. We've seen people listing this for about $25 to $30. So especially with the cash back, you'll make a good amount. Usually on this part, what you can do is either sign up, or what I'll do, I'll just do continue without an account. I'll just continue, and it's gonna ask you for shipping. You want to just basic shipping. You want to go ahead and put in the customer's information here, put all their information. You can declick this email for savings, continue. So for this, I'll just put in a little example. And I'm going to put in an email. And you want to continue. And then here, what you would like to do is just put in your information for the payment. And once you put in your payment information, you want to review order. And once you review order, you'll go ahead and check out. And what will happen is you'll get confirmation saying your order has been placed, and an email also saying that your order has been received, and that you will receive shipping as soon as they go ahead and ship out. Walmart doesn't take that long with shipping. You'll receive that confirmation for shipping literally probably within the next day or even 2 days, depending on when you place the order. And you simply just come onto eBay. You want to go to your selling and go ahead and add tracking to the order under your sold. So it's just that simple. This is just a little test account on the real account that me and my business partner Godwin both have. We actually have $500,000 selling limit, and if you're having a problem with selling limits or want to figure out how to get more selling limits, you want to join the free Facebook group, and we also talk about it in the advanced course. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. Alright, so if you want to go ahead and receive your funds from the giving assistant, what they'll do is after you make your purchase, literally within 24 hours, they'll send you an email saying you just received $1 cash back, $2, $3, $4 in cash back from your purchase. And what they do is they actually build it up in your account. So I'm going to go to my account. This is just a random account, and then it'll just have your total cash backs earned, payable, earnings, and pending. So what happens is the option that I've chosen when I set my account up is the 2 times. It's called 2 times. 2 times, whatever says 2 times, or you can click the basic plan, but I click the 2 times plan, which they give me double cash back. So I choose that plan. So what happens is they take $5.99 from you every single year for that actual advanced plan, which gives you double cash back. So you want to make sure if you want double cash back to click that option, or you can click the basic one where they don't take anything from you within that whole year. But I think it's worth it because I'm going to be doing, since I do so many transactions every single day, it's worth it to do that advanced plan, and they'll give you double cash back. So you'll have your earnings here, and what you can do is you can also donate it, and once you have enough, you'll be able to go ahead and send that to your account. And you just come to your account settings to make sure you have the email. Oh, here it is, power user. So I'm a power user, and you put the email in here that you want to use for your cash back. You want to use your PayPal account. You can send your payment options. So you set your payment options for either PayPal or eCheck. I'm going to do PayPal. Ask for the PayPal name and the email, and you select that, and then boom, you're all done. And this is where you can receive your payments. So everything after $5.99, they'll go ahead and get that to your PayPal account. So this is the best way I know to go ahead and So make sure you use the link that's down below in the description to go ahead and get signed up for Giving Assistant. And I just wanted to show you guys a quick little walkthrough of how to go ahead and process your orders to make a little bit more profit, because the profit margins with eBay dropshipping are kind of tight, but this helps you with your credit card cashbacks as well as these cashback websites. So you want to take advantage of that, and also you want to make sure you're selling a high amount of quantity every single day, which we do teach you in the course. So you want to go ahead and choose your course below and take advantage of that. The paid course is going to be rising in a couple of days. If it hasn't already risen, I haven't checked, because we have someone that handles all of that. So go ahead and take advantage, guys. You want to go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Peace.